Hello, good morning. My name is Joerg Schwarz. I'm Senior Director at Infor for our Healthcare Data Platform. And I want to talk today about the solution that we announced here at HIMSS 24 this year, which is called the IFOR eCQM. IFOR stands for Infor FHIR On Ramp and eCQM for Electronic Clinical Quality Measures. As the healthcare industry transitions towards value-based care, we have more and more ACOs in this country. The average ACO has more than 6 EMR data sources. What we are doing is we collect the data from all these data sources, we normalize the data, we load it in AWS HealthLake, and then we apply AI technologies to make this data actionable. You see a dashboard here that a population health manager can use to identify gaps in care and literally find the needle in the haystack, the patient that needs work. And we will talk to you about all the components that we use and are very grateful for AWS to work with us on this solution.
My name's Dr. Alexander Tayler, and I've worked with Infor on the development of this solution. It's entirely containerized and runs within the client's AWS premise. It works essentially by loading legacy data formats via Infor Cloverleaf, transforming them into HL7 FHIR and into HealthLake. From HealthLake, we use AI to map each component of the data to nodes in a knowledge graph hosted in Amazon Neptune. From here, we calculate for each patient whether they're included or excluded in each quality measure and whether they've met the requirements of that measure. We have full explainability about if they haven't met the requirements of the measure, why not. And all of these insights are surfaced to a dashboard that allows the population health manager to track in near real time their performance against these quality measures, to drive interventions where required, and at the end of the reporting period to submit the submission to CMS. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to find out more about this solution, then please reach out to us.